This is Michael of MarineMax Somers Point. Just wanted to walk through. We had a brand new 210 SPX in stock. I just want to quickly walk through the boat for you today. Could be your next boat. So we got this beautiful profile, full hull color on the 21-foot boat. Got the power tower up top. Trailer comes with the boat. Nice accents on the side. And this is powered with a 200 Mercury outboard. Stepping onto the boat here. Great walkway into the back of the boat. Lots of space on the back on the sun pad here for entertaining. You can flip up this back here to provide a nice seat for anyone sitting in the back. Also with the outboard option, you do get some additional storage here. Popping this open, you can see tons of storage in this back compartment. We got our bow filler cushion in there, a separate storage compartment on the left. Right here in the back of the boat, we do have a door as well, so if there's any kids or pets on board, it can hold them in. Another storage compartment here with access to your battery. More storage even as we walk into the boat. Looking here on the port side, this is the all-new design of the port side seat, which gives you different options for this backrest. So you can have it in the middle here to be facing forward. You can also shift it back, make a lounger facing aft, or put it all the way down and have an option to lie down completely. Lots of seating in the back, lots of space for entertaining, great inviting space for conversation. More storage underneath in this hatch below. Facing forward, you can see we have some storage on the port side. More cup holders. At the helm here, we have the 7-inch Simrad screen, Fusion Bluetooth audio head. Flip up and down bolsters on the captain's seat so you can stand or sit comfortably while underway. Dedicated storage for a cooler, as well as additional storage under all of these seats. We got the covers under there, and more storage under here as well. So lots of storage, lots of seating, lots of space for entertaining. Going to the bow of the boat, we got some more seating so you can sit forward. More storage as well under these compartments. So you can see the Fusion audio speakers all throughout the boat, so you can have music for the whole boat. Panning back, you can get a good look at the front. The open and closable windshield does lock in with stainless steel locks, so you don't have to worry about that moving around or bouncing underway. So nice, simple boat, beautiful boat, lots of space for entertaining, lots of space for storage, lots of opportunity to have fun on the water. Power tower, as I mentioned, does keep that sun off if you want to catch some shade. Also allows for some water sports. Got the ski tow hook in the back as well for additional opportunity for water sports. If you'd like to come see this 210 SPX, I'd love to hear from you. Maybe we can get you into your next boat.